Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, Scorpios. We are picking few cards. If you want more clarity after this gentle reading, guys, this is for your relationship, guys. If you want more clarity, I have the oracle guidance after this general energy, guys, so you can watch that reading if you want more detailed reading, guys. So let's see what are these cards for your general reading, guys. It's 7 of air, 2 of fire and 5 of fire. So with these cards, guys, in your situation, you are a person, you have your own ideas, you have your own path, or you do not listen to anyone. You have your you are not the person to please others. You live life on your own terms. You try to be really independent. But today, being diplomatic, being supportive, or being in that team spirit may help you, Scorpio. So if someone is coming to you with suggestions about something, you have to listen to it, guys, for your own good. So someone is here to help you out, maybe plan your future, or help you in your ambitions, help you in your goals. They are here to support you. So that is the way universe is guiding you in your life, guys. So it is pushing you towards some greater growth. So if there is someone in your situation who is there for pushing you in your life towards some positive things, you have to listen to it. So that is what I see, guys. And maybe in your situation, you need to appreciate the ideas that people are telling you. Maybe there is someone telling you something, you may not like it, like that person or like what they say, but you can just grab the positive things from those suggestions, what will work for you. So though you have different views or different ideas, difference of opinions, you can listen to those ideas, and whatever works well, you can assimilate those thoughts, assimilate those ideas, guys. Scorpios, that is what I see in these cards. So it may be something in your relationship. You may not want to listen to this person you love, you're in connection with, but something they tell you may work for you, guys. So you need to be diplomatic. So that is what I see with these cards. Let's see what is your card for your relationship. It's 10 of water. So with this card in your situation, it just means that you have that happiness, contentment and peace of mind in this relationship. So no matter what your situation is, you have that acceptance. You see love in everything. You love this person, and in whatever you do or whatever they do, you are happy. You are celebrating this love, and you are celebrating this person, this connection. So that is what I see, guys, a positive thing in your connection, guys. And maybe this person is trying to tell you something because they love you, so you need to listen to them, guys. That is what I see with these cards, Scorpios, and that is the reading. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. If you want more clarity, you can watch the oracle guidance that is coming up right now, guys. For your oracle guidance, if you have any questions in your situation, guys, you can think about it, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, and then choose the card. So that way the reading may resonate. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start with the first card. So we have Malachite here. So this crystal card, it stands for clarity of thought and emotions, integrating our thoughts and intuition. So maybe in any particular situation, we may have a particular intuition, what we need to do. So if we follow that and if we have that clarity, what we feel, what is our emotional state in that particular situation, we will have a better understanding. And we need to honor our emotions, guys, to help us make the right decisions today. So our intuition will be telling us something. Maybe when it is telling us something, or when we feel really emotional, something pushing us towards some choice or some decision, we have to listen to it. So that is the meaning with this card, guys. So if you have some kind of intuition in any situation when you are making some important decisions, you need to listen to it, guys. So that is the reading with that card. So let's see what is your second card for those who have chosen this card. It is Truth Be Told. So with this card here, it just means honest communication, guys, a willingness to be transparent. So something is there in your heart, burdening yourself. So in your heart of hearts, you have something you need to tell someone. So you have to go ahead and tell them. So that clarity of communication, that is what is going to bring that harmony in your life today. So truth is always based on your personality, and when you have your words, when you are speaking truthful words, whatever is there in your heart, and when you are open about yourself, when you have that honest communication, you will be proceeding in a positive way in your life today, guys. So people will also try to be honest with you. When you are being honest, they will also reciprocate the same way. So today maybe something is there in your mind, some kind of truth or some kind of secret you need to reveal to this person you love. So this is the time for that. Do not hold back, speak the truth, and if someone speaks the truth to you, you have to listen to them. So that is the reading with these cards, guys. Thank you for watching this oracle guidance. If you like this guidance, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.